Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Reena. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft Fabric and I'll walk you through how to, with a step-by-step guide, how to create a Microsoft Fabric trial account. Before that, let's just quickly have an overview of what Microsoft Fabric is and what are some of the key appeals it has. So Microsoft Fabric is quickly gaining attention of the businesses and data professionals because of its all-in-one analytic capabilities. It's a unified data platform. It's a software as a service offering by Microsoft. It's different from Azure Synapse, if you have worked, which is mainly a platform as a service where you have to go and set up your own storage account, compute, and all those things. So you have to plug in. Whereas in case of Microsoft Fabric, it will all be taken care along with the data engineering and data warehouse capabilities offered as in case of Azure Synapse. It also provides you the integrated data factory, data science, real-time data analytic capabilities, and power and reporting, which mainly includes Power BI. It's based on something called One Lake, which is basically one storage solution for the for your enterprise, and it also has AI capabilities integrated in it through Copilot. And once you whether you are a data engineer, a data analyst, or a business user, you can work with Power BI. It gives you an opportunity to work with the Power BI, data factory, pipelines, data warehousing, lakehouse, and data science and real time pipelines, all in one integrated environment. That's the appeal of it. And to get started, you need to go to Microsoft app.fabric.microsoft.com, which is the official Microsoft Fabric website. And you need to have a Microsoft Work or a school account, basically a Microsoft Entra ID, formerly used to be known as Azure Active Directory, for which you need a work or a school account. If you have one, just sign in. But if you don't have, for example, I don't have, you can use your Gmail or personal account and follow the next steps to create that. Uh, so for that, head to azure.microsoft.com and click on try Azure for free. Uh, and once you click on it, it will ask you to create ask you to enter your details, which will basically include your phone or your identity verification by your the card which you are using. Provide all the details, and then after you have provided all the details, once you have created this, then you log into www.portal.azure.com. You head in there, portal.azure. I will be providing all these links in the video description below. Now you need to search for users. Okay, let's create our. Okay, now click on new user. Create a new user, provide it a principal name. Let's give it a user. Uh, give this user a display name. Let's copy this password as we might need this information. Okay, let's review and create. Okay, let's go ahead and create this. Now let's refresh our screen one more time. Okay, and now let's head back to and now we need to enter that. Okay, before that let me just go ahead and copy the password on a notepad on the side. Okay, now Let's copy the user principal name and provide the information here. Now we need to provide the password. Let's provide the password. Okay, done now. Okay, it asks you to reset it now. Let's just reset it now. Okay, so you need to reset the password. You need to head back to the Microsoft portal.azure.com. Go to the users, click on the user, click on reset password, and let's just reset. Okay, resetting the password. We're gonna use this temporary password. Okay, and then provide that password here. Okay, so now let's provide you. Now let's give it a. Okay, update your password. Okay. Now let's give what other information is provided. Okay. Now it is verified I'm a human. Okay, let's sign in. Oh, it's taking time. Okay, once you've cleared the step one, it'll ask you to step two. You provide all your information here. Let me do that. Yeah, after you've given all the information, now third step, it's saying thank you for signing for Microsoft Fabric. Now let's click on get started. It should take me to my Fabric. Yeah, now it's taking me to my fabric.microsoft.com, which basically, if you have worked with Power BI, looks very similar to that. Um, that's a very advantage. Now, you should be prompted to try for a free trial. For that, we will go ahead and let's just click on free trial. In this start trial, this will activate your Microsoft Fabric feature, which will include Power BI Premium, PSQ trial, lakehouses, notebooks, pipelines. Right now on the left side, you are not seeing those features, so let's just click on activate and default. Okay, let's just take default. There are other, if you need to change your region, you can check, but I'm located in West US, so let me just take that at India. Okay, activate. Now let's just go to Fabric homepage. Now the trial has started, and it will include capacity for experimentation, and now we can start building. Yeah, so now we are in our Fabric. Uh, yeah, you can see here, it's giving me workspaces. I can see the one I can create when I go to the create, and yeah, it's showing me all the features where I can do that. I can go to real-time analytics. Yeah, so that's how you sign up for your mm, Fabric. If you think this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe. And let me know if there is any specific topic that you want me to go to cover, or so that will be helpful to you. Until then, see you next time. Thank you so much.